Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just got back from the grocery store, so I am going to make some soup beans, almost soup beans today. This is what Olivia wants, so I'm gonna make them. I bought some of the pinto beans, and I've got a little bit of some leftover navy beans, little navy beans, so I think I'm gonna mix them today. Have you ever had a mix? They're really good mixed together. The broth is so nice and juicy, and it's just so good. But that's what we're having today. This is just a little cook with me. I'm sure I've already got a video on here of soup beans, and I'm gonna do soup beans and some fried potatoes. I don't think I'm gonna make cornbread today because it's supposed to be a little hot today, but hey, I wanted this and that's what I'm having. I've got a pan heating up here. It's probably already nice and warm, but I've got a little bit of salt bacon here. This is like 3 or 4 big chunks. That's all I had left. I was so glad I had some left over in the freezer. But I'm just gonna toss that in there. I'm just gonna fry that up just till it renders some of its, you know, some of the bacon grease off of it. I've got onions, and I've got, this is 2 small onions. I like a lot of onions in mine, and 1 clove of garlic. And I want to show you these beans here. Let me wipe the grease off my fingers here. But yeah, these are the pinto beans, and I've got just a little baby navy beans. So I'm going to cook these together, and they are so good together. I love when I cook them together. I wouldn't call that half and half. It's just, you know, a little bit of the white beans and, you know, mainly most of the pinto beans. And you got a bean in there. Look at that, you guys. Coming along nicely. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and my garlic in there. I like a lot of onions when I make soup beans. And this is one time I don't really worry about how small I get my onions, because I like a nice bite of onions with mine. Smelling good already. I'm going to add some pepper. A lot of pepper. I'm going to add a little salt. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I'm going to add some minced onion as well, because you know they give this such a good flavor. I'm going to hurry though, so those don't burn. Oh, it smells like heaven here. Now I'm going to add 1 of the 14-ounce cans of beef broth. And I'm going to add my beans. Get these to cook in. I've already washed these. You have to make sure that you wash them really good. You have to go through there. Sometimes there's some like little baby rocks in there. It is smelling good. And add some water. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more water than that. That is perfect. I'm gonna give it a stir. Look at that. Oh, these are gonna be so good. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of, well, if I can find it. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt to them, just a little bit. What else am I gonna add? And then some bacon grease. You have to add bacon grease. 2 little spoons. That is going to season them so well. Alright, I'm just going to put the lid on them, and then I'm going to let them cook. They're going to cook probably for about 2.5 to 3 hours until the broth becomes nice and thick and delicious. Oh, it's going to be so good. And then I'm going to get my potatoes started right before those get done. And that's simple. That's what we're having today. Just simple and easy dinner. All right, my beans are about done. I've made some sun tea. So let's go ahead and get started on the fried potatoes. right, guys, the potatoes are done. The beans are done. Iced tea in hand. You know I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care.